I'm going to cut this tree down, and the first thing I need to do is to come up with a safe plan. Walk around the tree and judge which way it's leaning. Also, you can look at the branches and see which way the tree might fall according to the weight. So once I've decided which way I want to land the tree, I'm going to cut a wedge into the tree, about 15 to 20% into the tree. That wedge will be on the side of the tree that points towards the fall. And there's a look from the side of my open face cut. It's about 90 degrees, just a wedge taken out basically. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a bore cut. It's where you take the saw straight in through the tree, about right here. And I need to leave attached, not cut through this, because this is going to be my hinge. So we don't want to take the saw and cut all the way to the wedge. You want to leave a little bit right here for a hinge. And you'll see the importance of that shortly. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I just did. This was the second step. We've done our wedge cut there, and then I did a bore cut. Took the saw blade straight through the tree, and I didn't saw all the way to the wedge. I left some tree intact right here. This is what we call the hinge, and it should look the same on the other side. Then I also took the saw, and I took the saw back in this direction. But I also left it attached over here. That's where we'll do our back cut, and the tree should fall in that direction and hinge right here for a controlled fall. It's now time for my back cut. The back part here that I still have attached that I didn't saw through, I will take my saw and cut this piece all the way through until it meets my bore cut. Once I start seeing the tree fall, I will then turn the saw off and escape to my predetermined escape route. My planned escape route is to quarter away from the fall at an angle. I have made sure my path has been cleared for this escape.